What happens when teams work fast and furious without an eye towards the product vision and roadmap, and they take shortcuts rather than doing it right the first time? Well, they typically create a lot of rework and pain, and in Agile, it's no different. Technical debt is the cost incurred for cutting corners in the short term, and Agile teams create more than an appropriate amount of it, when only focused on the current sprint. When too much technical debt happens on a solution, over time the team's pace and velocity slows down. The shortcuts taken earlier can create more work to unravel and refactor, as the team adds more functionality. Some technical debt is good and strategic, and typically this is the case when there's a major unknown, and things like experiments and prototyping are occurring. This is where the team can take shortcuts to learn and later commit to a technical path. In this case, it's all about the learning and the experimenting. Well, there are two major contributions to minimizing technical debt. First is having a solid and value-based product vision and roadmap. Having a well-articulated vision and roadmap aligned with strategy and understood by the team is critical. This gives the team the long-term vision that they need. It also helps when making the daily technical decisions on architecture and structure that will align to the long-term vision. This will create less rework and technical rework later. Second is a meaningful definition of done. A definition of done that builds in the quality and technical excellence is key. Keeping the team accountable to their estimates and workload is powerful. So why should a product owner care about technical debt? Why not just push the team to get it done faster? Well, accumulating technical debt will come back to show problems and impact the product owner in big ways. It'll compromise future product flexibility, product performance, modifications, and architecture. This will create longer time to market later for adding on features. Customers also get annoyed by bugs, wonky functionality, and slow feature development later on. Developers' morale in dealing with this messy code that is hard to rework adds up to compromised team performance. An increase in help desk costs due to more calls from users will increase the cost of the product overall to the organization. So when a team does have a lot of technical debt, and this will happen, there are several ways that we can handle it. First, identify which functions and features are highly used and highly changeable in the future. Agree to build quality into those estimates. This ensures the team does not rush in creating messy code. Second, have a technical backlog and allocate percentage of points each sprint to address it to catch up. Remember to document how fixing the technical debt will provide overall value so the product owner can prioritize it. The team needs to make sure that a technical team's idea of debt matches the product owner's debt concerns as well. Everyone needs to align on balancing cost, value, and risk. I like to coach a team at staying under 20% of the backlog as technical debt. The strategies that we've covered make technical debt manageable and sometimes strategic for the team and the product owner.